There's pull with the paddle shifters. Let's get it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Roxy. Today we're going to be installing these awesome paddle shifters that were sent to me by Grid Ready. If y'all don't know who these guys are, feel free to go check them out on Instagram. They have a bunch of things ranging from paddle shifters to tail light tent, and they're actually working on exhaust tips as well. So pretty exciting stuff. But thankful for me, I have these red carbon extenders onto my paddle shifters already, right? But it's cool to be able to swap out, from time to time. So I want to go to something a little bit more subtle. So Grid Ready actually sent me these nice, I'll pop one out here for you guys so you guys can see. These nice paddle shifters, as you can see, nice finish, and then it's longer than the original one that the black one comes with. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed and see how I like it. A great option for someone that's looking up to switch up their interior just a little bit. Nice little subtle change, and then the functionality aspect of it, it's a little bit longer, so it's easier to reach versus the stock silver ones that this comes with. So I'm gonna go ahead, set up the camera over here and show you guys exactly how to install your new paddle shifters from Grid Ready. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and cut off the car. We'll get two things in the box that are not the shifters. First thing is going to be this little wrench product right here. Don't lose that. We're going to need the hex screw to unscrew some screws. So we're going to keep that on the side. Then you're also going to get this little orange plastic majigger right here. You're going to pop that guy out. So we're going to use this first, the orange plastic piece. Let's pry open this back here. Okay, so hopefully this is a better angle. If you can see right here, there's going to be this little latch and this piece right here. Basically, we're just going to pry it off. So you don't have to add that much force. You literally just wedge it in between and it should pop off like so. So that's how we get that off. Okay, so anytime I'm doing work in the car, I always like to just get a little plastic cup just to keep all of your pieces in here so that we're not scrambling around for pieces. So going back to here, I'll try to zoom out again so you guys can see. It's actually going to be two screws. All right, so it's going to be a screw right here, and it's going to be another screw right here. We're going to need to unscrew both of these. So I'll go ahead and get that started and bring back the camera. Okay, just so I don't drop the screws or anything. So we're recording from this angle. So first screws out. We'll go ahead and put that in our cup. I'm telling you, make sure you have a cup, man. You don't want to be losing parts and stuff. But to get that out, so once you pull this out, you get two things. You're gonna get the screw, then you're gonna get this little bracket. There it is. Okay, so for this, you just lift up like so, and then you just rotate it outwards and it slides right on out. As you can see, in case any of you guys are ever curious, this is what the paddle shifter looks like. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna install the new paddle shifters like so. And then you push down. So it's in right, and you'll feel it clicking like so. And then all of the, zoom up here for you guys. So that's how it should look. You see it's right over the hole and everything like that. So you see, I don't want to oh, it's not gonna fall out. So you see right here where you see these two holes, right here, that's where we're gonna put the bracket on, and that's gonna hold it in play. So we're gonna get that, and then we're gonna cover all up, then we'll be good to go. Oops, I caught it though. I caught it. So I gotta have hands for this job. Okay, so we got our screws all in there nice and tight. As you can see, it's functioning like a normal paddle shifter. Now all that's left to do is to take the piece that we started this whole process with, slide it over like so, and just click it into play. Perfect. So I'll show you guys how it looks. So as you can see, this one is installed, and it feels like it feels like way better, bro. Like how it's curved right here. Like you can literally just rest your hands right here while you're driving, bro. You need to just click like that. And then, oh, no copyright. I'll just show you that it works before we do the other side too. So I'm putting my car into drive. See? Change into second gear right there. Awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and do this other side, and then I'll give you guys a little POV drive of the new paddle shifters in action. So as you can see, a nice all black finish instead of the chrome, which throws the car off a little bit. Looks super, super good. Like I said, I'm gonna give you guys a POV drive here shortly. We're just gonna go ahead and clean up some things real quick. So these are the original paddle shifter. And then we have our other original over here. We're gonna go ahead and put those in the grid ready box like so, just to hold on to. But yeah, no, super excited, super excited. All right, let's get to this POV. So yeah, here we go, guys. First pull with the paddle shifters. Let's get it. So yeah, no, as y'all can see, I'm not gonna go too crazy, but as you can see, it's working as it's supposed to work. This is when you know you live in Texas, bro, when everyone just like, we're not speeding, in case this cops is watching this video. We're cruising, but everyone drives a little bit like 5 to 10 over the speed limit, you know? Yeah, no, overall, guys, very excited with these things. They're functioning great. We did a good job setting them up. It was pretty easy. Like I said, definitely check the description if you just want to see more products that they have to offer. Like I said, I think they're just getting started, but already very impressed with this company, to say the least. Like, it's very good. It blends perfectly. Like, it looks OEM. And like I said, I love like when you just rest your hands here. Almost like as it was like intended for you to just rest your hands here. It feels very comfortable. So yeah, without further ado, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Make sure to give them a shout out, check them out. I'll also drop their Instagram down below. But until next time, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.